How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the bicep gap. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So here's how I fixed mine. If you look at mine now, I don't have that gap. If you look right here, there is no gap at all. There used to be a gap, you guys. There used to be probably at least 2 to 3 inch gap. It used to be quite big. Now, how do you fix it? Super simple way. This isn't difficult at all. Anyone can fix their gap. All you need to do is you need to start doing hammer curls. If you do not know what hammer curls is, it's very, very simple. A normal curl, your arm will be like this and you will curl up. A hammer curl is when you have your arm like this and you curl this way. So all you're doing is we're just literally rotating our wrist. That's all we're doing. So instead of doing curls like this, you're gonna do curls like this. This is gonna develop the long head of your bicep. I train hammer curls all the time, you guys. I can hammer curl 65 pounds for 15 repetitions. I am my bicep, my long bicep is extremely developed from doing hammer curls. And that's honestly what fixed mine. You start doing hammer curls, it's automatically going to fix it. What I recommend to do though, in order to develop that bicep, is to make sure you're obviously eating enough protein, but what you also want to do is you want to make sure you gain a little bit of weight too. In order to build muscle, we need to gain a little bit of body weight. Repetitions, stuff like that, I would train your biceps every other day. Protein synthesis happens every 24 to 48 hours, so it's good to train every other day, especially if you're trying to if you're trying to fix something or if you're trying to develop muscle quickly, you're gonna want to train every other day. And that's what I did. My bicep gap was so big, and again, it wasn't small, it was a big gap. I trained every other day with my biceps, and in 30 days, I noticed a huge difference. Like, it was huge. And then I just kept I train hammer curls all the time now. Hammer curls are my #1 go-to bicep exercise. And on top of that, it makes your bicep thicker as well. So if you guys have like thin biceps, it's gonna make it thicker. It's gonna make your overall bicep bigger. And this is especially true if you never do hammer curls and you start doing them, you're gonna notice a huge difference right off the hop, you guys. So that's my advice. That's what I did, and that's what helped me to fix the gap. It was literally doing hammer curls. Very, very simple to do, you guys. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.